Hello guys, I am Jasmeet and welcome to Blogging Unplugged Clips. On this channel, you will find bite-sized videos from our main channel, Blogging Unplugged. If you are not into those hour-long videos, then this channel is for you. And if you find the content helpful, then make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell. And with that said, let's dive into the video.
Now that you are familiar with adding links to the Flexbox containers in Elementor, the next topic we are going to discuss is nesting of containers. Now, if you have been creating pages or posts or websites using Elementor, then you must be familiar with the fact that to add a section, what you have to do is first select a layout, which is basically the initial section that is defined as a section in Elementor, and then in that section you add a inner section which is again a column, and inside that inner section you have multiple columns or single columns depending on your requirement. Now in that inner section, if you want to add another inner section, you cannot do that. So what this basically means is inside of a column, you can add only a single column. Now to show you the difference, what I have done here is I have two tabs open. The first one is nesting in Flexbox, which is this one, and it has the Flexbox container active. And in the second tab, we have nesting with the sections or columns, whatever you can call it, and it has the inner section layout. Now, before I begin anything, what I am going to do is I am going to open the navigator. You can see the navigator right over here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a section. I'm going to select this one. Okay, now you can see this is a column right over here. The section has a column. Okay, this is a column which is empty. I'm going to add an inner section. Now this inner section basically adds two columns, column, column. Now what happens if I want to add another inner section to this column or to this column? Let me try. It doesn't allow me to do that. Rather, it allows me to add this inner section on top of it or at the bottom of it. Let me just add it. Okay, now you see another inner section with two more columns. Now this is nowhere near the nesting that the Flexbox container offers. So I'm going to go back to nesting in Flexbox tab, and what I'm going to do is open the navigator right here. I'm going to click plus. I'm going to open, let's just say this one. You can see a container right over here, and the container is empty. Now what I want to do is I want to add a container in a container. Can I do that? Of course I can do that. You can see container in a container. Now what I want to do is add another container in this container. Can I do that? Yes, of course I can do that. You can see the hierarchy over here. This container contains this container contains this container. Can I add another one? Hopefully I can. Yes, I can. Okay. So now you can see it allows me to nest containers inside of containers. Now this feature makes it really easy for you to create advanced layout that involves nesting of multiple containers very easy. Okay, this is an important difference when you see the sections and the new Flexbox containers. So keep this in mind.
Now I hope you have found this video helpful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to this channel. Also, the links to our socials are in the description box below. Make sure to follow us on other platforms as well. And with that said, I will see you in the next video.